this?
That's fine.
Would you free on it?
Sorry?
Would you take free on it?
No, give me 4. Take it. 5, yeah, 5.
Zero free.
Go and take
Cheers. What about this one? How much is this?
That's
Yeah, 10.
Thank you.
Do now free? So
No.
6.
No problem.
How much for this? The rollers. Oh, something here missing. And this.
£4 bargain.
No worries. Yeah, I'll take them. Sorry. The house? 5. 3. 4. No worries, I'll leave it now. Cheers, thank you. Alright man, how you doing?
What's that?
Yes?
I think 5. CD.
No CD?
No CD.
Oh,
CD.
alright.
With CDs, let's say.
Oh, yeah.
But without CDs.
And you won't do 8? I'll take this one just. I'll take this as well, don't worry. How much?
But you don't have the remote.
No remote?
It's only, £2. If you have the remote, I lost the remote. I don't know what I done. And what I know is my mistake, not my husband.
No,
For this reason I remember.
You take £1? Yeah. Maybe I'll find a remote someday.
Yeah, probably you'll find.
How much is this?
£5.
I'll take for free if you want. Okay, thank you. iMac, how much? 20, yeah.
There's the battery. Is it charged over? You need to take it out and charge it. That's the battery. I don't know. That's why it's not charged. You can charge it, but you need to buy the thing that charges. Yeah, which I don't have. I don't have the charger.
How much for the bag?
How much are the
25?
No.
5. Oh, is it 25? Can I have a look? It's heavy.
Slightly, yeah, a little bit.
I'll take this one, yeah? Can you hold it here? I'll come back at the end, yeah?
Yeah, that's
I'll give you the money now. Sorry. $13?
No, it's got to be 15. Cheap for that. You're running out of cash.
Yeah.
You can owe me £2 if you want. Give me your next
Oh,
week.
I don't like to be in debt.
Use 13 then, good.
13, yeah? Is it okay if you keep it for a bit?
Yeah.
I'll come back at the end.
Yeah, no worries.
How much your bag? Yes.
7 pounds.
7 pounds.
It's good, everything is okay.
And the shoes?
10 pounds. Need I take 15 pounds. Okay?
Think about it.
Cheap price.
Solomon. 25. I'll do 10 for both. Half 10.
13 pounds.
11.
Yeah, 13.
11 is good.
Wow.
11. Thank you.
Good morning to you.
Morning, man.
How are you?
Good, good. You?
How's life?
Good.
Good, man. Yeah. Bit fresh today, isn't it?
Yeah. I see no brake pads.
I haven't bought any. I didn't see. Do you need more?
Nah, I'm good. I still got some.
Have you done okay?
It's alright.
eBay?
Yeah,
Sold a few?
couple.
Do you want more?
Not at the moment, no.
Fine.
I'm running out of space. Maybe next month.
Yeah, fair enough. Are you going to a place called Enfield Pageant?
Nah.
It's a massive car show. But it's a massive auto jumble as well.
Yeah.
Thousands of stalls.
Is it?
Enfield.
When's that?
Bank holiday May weekend
Next.
in
Yeah.
a couple of weeks. Any 3 items for £1, guys, or 50p a piece?
No worries.
See you there.
I'll check out.
Thanks, mate. Cheers, Frank. Any 3 items for £1, guys?
Would you like to pull it or?
Yeah, I'm trying.
Because you've got the handle
yeah.
there and we can zip it up.
Might put these inside and
Oh yeah.
that might help.
There you go.
Fine. Cheers, thank you. Dartboard?
10 pounds, yeah. What did I say?
Said 7.
7.
Not 5?
Go on, 3
5?
Then that give me 2 quid.
You want my man?
Yeah.
You want both?
I can try. I'll try, yeah, both.
Yeah. Quite heavy. Put it that way. Is that better? Or the
Yeah,
other
it should be
way?
fine. Yeah.
Side by side.
Yeah.
I'll take the.
All good. Cheers. Thank you.
You alright?
Yeah. All good. Cheers. How much? Took one. Alright.
Well, mate. Any cameras at all, mate?
I've had it, yeah.
Can I have a look?
How much is your VHS?
Huh?
The Sony VHS. This one.
Five.
Oh.
One the lot.
We take 5. Just throw this in.
Give a shake. Yeah, I'll get a fucking coffee. Manage?
Yeah. All good, thank you. Alright,
How you doing?
how you doing?
You good?
Yeah,
Done anything?
just now. Oh. How much is your gas pump here?
Sorry, mate.
The gas pump thing.
That's 25.
25. How much again? I'll take that game though, for £1. No, I'll leave us.
How much is that? £5.
Free. Still free.
£4. Hello, what are you after? What do we say?
Oh, you said 4, yeah.